Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you this soft fall inspired makeup look. And the first thing I'm going to do is show you how I do my eyebrows. So I use this NYX Cosmetics Brow Power Micro Pencil. I've actually been playing with a lot of new products which I've never used before in this video. And this one looks so nice. I believe the color was Taupe. I don't know how you pronounce it, but the color actually suited me really well. At first I thought it might be too light, but it actually turned out quite dark. But I will make sure to link all of the products I use in the description bar together with all the colors. Then I went in with the full coverage Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, also from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this to carve out the brow. Now I feel like I'm so out of breath. You guys know probably that I'm pregnant. I am 25 weeks, so I only have 3 months to go. But oh my god, I feel like the symptoms are getting worse and worse. I feel like I have no breath anymore. So I'm sorry if I sound like I've just walked like a marathon, but that's literally how I feel. But I'm using this beautiful palette from Yves Saint Laurent, and I actually used all the 2 brushes that come into the palette. Normally I would never use them, but I thought let me just give it a go, because I mean they are meant to be used. So I just wanted to kind of challenge myself and see if I actually can create a nice look using these brushes. And I think it actually worked very well. I was surprised. This is like a super tiny brush, but it blended really nicely. The brush hairs were really soft. I had no problems with applying the eyeshadows whatsoever. And then the shimmers, of course, I use my finger to apply it because it's just the easiest way and I feel like it gives most color payoff. So then for the next color, I'm going to use this super light shade, and I'm going to use this for underneath the brow, and I'm using this kind of like spongy applicator, and I'm just going to softly apply this underneath the brow bone. All these shades that I'm using are really soft and light, so I feel like that also kind of helped with the application being super easy and just looking good. Everything just floats into each other, which is really nice, and I just love these neutral colors. These shades are just something I could wear every day. I just love it, and I love the subtle sparkle on the eyelid. Just a really classy eye look. So I'm going to go in with the Hypnôse Drama mascara from Lancôme. I am a huge fan of Lancôme mascaras. I think they're really great. And when I used to work at a perfume store back in the days, I always felt like Lancôme had one of the best mascaras. They just do the job, so I wanted to just keep it this way and not going in with any false lashes because I thought my lashes already looked quite good. So now after the eyes, we're going to finish off the rest of the makeup, and I'm going to go in with the Giorgio ArmaniLuminous Silk foundation. This is such a beautiful foundation. It has kind of like medium coverage, but you can definitely build it up. So I'm just going to apply this all over the eyelid, and I'm using this buffing brush from NYX Cosmetics, which was also really nice. So I have used the foundation already before, but it was the first time trying this brush to apply foundation, and I really like it. In general, I'm a huge fan of these kind of like buffing brushes to apply foundation. I've had my period where I always used to use like a beauty sponge, but I am really a brush girl. So now I'm going to go in with the Yves Saint Laurent Touche, éclat, which is kind of like a highlighting concealer. So I'm going to apply it on all the places where I normally would apply my concealer as well. I feel like this really brightens the areas where you apply the product. And I believe back in the days, again, when I used to work at the perfume store, this one actually got an award, and I always really like to use it on clients because it just gives a really nice brightening effect, but in a really natural way, and it blends really nicely into the foundation. And it's just really lightweight, so definitely for people who like more of a natural base, it looks really good as well. So now I'm going to go in with this powder from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just going to set all the places where I just applied the Yves Saint Laurent Touche, éclat. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. But I'm just applying this on everywhere where I applied the concealer, just to make sure that everything is nicely locked in place, because I do have combination skin, so I do tend to shine during the day, so I definitely need a little bit of powder. Then I went in with the Lancôme blush, and again I will put all the details and the color names in the description bar. Applying this on the apples of the cheeks. It's a really beautiful color actually. I think this is one of those colors, it's just a really natural blush color, so it can go really well with a lot of lipstick combinations. So then I went in with the Superstay Vanilla Ink from Maybelline. I went in with this color, which is kind of like your own natural lip color, but just a bit darker. But I feel like just a really beautiful kind of like natural rosy color that I think again would suit a lot of skin colors, and it's really nice for like a daily lip color as well. So this one is really shiny, as you can see, but I really liked it. So then I went in with the NYX Cosmetics Matte Setting Spray just to make all the powder look more natural on my skin, just kind of make everything just melt into each other. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you like this makeup look. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. And I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand.